In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to trade futures on Mexc, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover what futures trading is, how to open a futures position, how to use leverage, and how to manage risk properly. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to place your first futures trade on Mexc. Let's get started. If you don't have a Mexc account yet, you can find the link in the description below to sign up and get a trading bonus. What is Mexc Futures? Mexc is a global crypto exchange that allows you to trade spot and futures markets. Futures trading means you're not buying the actual coin. Instead, you're trading contracts that follow the price of a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This allows you to go long, make money when price goes up, go short, make money when price goes down, and use leverage to increase potential profits. But remember, leverage also increases risk. Step 1. Transfer funds to futures account. First, log into your Mexc account, click Wallet, then select Futures. Before trading, you need USDT in your futures wallet. Click Transfer. Move USDT from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Now you're ready to trade. Now, after you deposit funds into your futures account, click the Futures tab here, and you will see a couple of options. USDTM Futures contracts are margined and settled in USDT, a stablecoin. This means your profits and losses are in USDT, which is stable and easy to understand. USDCM Futures. Similar to USDTM, but margined and settled in USDC, another stablecoin. It is mostly for users who prefer USDC over USDT. Coin M Futures. Contracts are margined and settled in the cryptocurrency itself, like BTC or ETH. For example, if you trade BTC Coin M Futures, your profits and losses will be in BTC. Most beginners usually start with USDTM Futures. Now click USDTM Futures. Step 2. Choose a trading pair. Select the pair you want to trade. For example, Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, USDT. Beginners usually start with BTC USDT because it has high liquidity. Step 3. Margin mode. You will see two options here: isolated margin and cross margin. When you choose isolated margin, only the funds you assign to that specific position are at risk. If the trade goes against you, only that margin can be liquidated, not your entire account. When you choose cross margin, your entire account balance can be used to maintain the position. This reduces the chance of liquidation, but it puts more of your funds at risk. Most beginners choose isolated margin. Step 4. Choose leverage. Now select your leverage. You can choose anywhere from 1x to 200x on some trading pairs. Example, if you use 10x leverage with $100, you control a $1,000 position. But be careful, higher leverage means higher risk of liquidation. For beginners, I recommend using 2x to 5x maximum. Never start with high leverage. Step 5. Order types. Limit order. You set the price at which you want to buy or sell. The order will only execute when the market reaches your specified price. Market order. You buy or sell immediately at the current market price. Execution is fast, but the price may vary slightly due to market movement. Trigger order. Also called a stop or conditional order. It activates only when the price reaches a specific level. It is useful for automatically entering or exiting positions. Lastly, you will see a couple of additional options here. MTL Market to Limit. This converts a market order into a limit order after execution. It can help you get a better average price, especially on large trades. Take Profit TP. Automatically closes your trade when your target profit level is reached. Stop Loss SL. Automatically closes your trade if the price moves against you, helping to limit your losses. Open Long. If you think the price will go up, you can open a long position. Open short. If you think the price will go down, you can open a short position. After you place your orders, you will see all your open positions here. Final advice: start small, use low leverage. Focus on learning, not getting rich fast. If you want more videos about futures trading strategies and crypto tutorials, subscribe to the channel. And remember, smart traders survive. Gamblers get liquidated. See you in the next video.